So in this video, I will explain how to make an hypsometric curve using QGIS. So imagine you have a DTM and for a specific area, like this area, you want to make the hypsometric curve. So what we're first going to do is make a new DTM only for this area. So we do that by extraction, clip raster by mask layer. We select our DTM. This one is 5 by 5 meters. We select our mask layer. And I like to add a specific value for no data. And the X resolution, in my case, my raster consists of 5 by 5 meter grids. But of course, if it's different in your situation, write it down here. So now we made a new grid specifically for our area. We're going to convert this to points. So we use the function raster to points in the processing toolbox. Yes. Save it in on your computer on somewhere where it makes sense for you. So now we created for each grid cell, we created 1 point. This file, which is shown here, we can take the DBF file and we can just drag it to Excel. So each point we saw is now a value here in Excel. We sort it from A to Z. And from here we can calculate the cumulative area. We know each point represents 5 by 5 meters, so that's 25 square meters. And we can continue this here. Of course, if in your situation your grid was 10 by 10, then this changes to 100 and then plus 100. But in my case, it's 5 by 5. All right. Now we basically have the raw data for the hypsometric curve. So if we make a graph based on this, on the horizontal axis, we use the square meters, and on the vertical axis, the height or the reference level. And then here we have our hypsometric curve. So this is an easy method, but it has some limitations. If you have a lot of points, more than Excel can handle, then it won't work. And maybe you want to do this for 10 areas at once. For this, QGIS has a specific function, and I will explain that in the next video.